Really easy because the questions are not.
I had the option to express my feelings. Fact that it was about you, nobody else. Because when something's about you, you feel more open to it. It's not about you and your family, it's about you and your opinions.
Definitely. It allows people to share the opinions and have their voices heard in a way that they know they're being listened to and in a way they know they can make change.
Yeah, so that services like YAPS can make changes to help accommodate people that might